Yo, what's going on, guys? Lego Billy here. Today I'm back with another creation. This time I have built a Lego jet ski. And see, we have the hull, the stern, the water jet. I don't know if you can see that very well. And the handlebars move up and down. And also, the scale of this vehicle is built big enough to support a one of these G.I. Joe Army figures. So you're gonna have one of these guys riding your jet ski, and the water jet basically is just this little cone piece on a brick, on a little a black peg, and well, that's basically it for this review. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and like it. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to check out my other videos and subscribe. And also, if you have any suggestions for future videos, let me know what your suggestions and requests are for future videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.